Rohit Sharma-led Indian cricket team bringing home the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 trophy from Barbados on July 4. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to meet the men's team at 11 a.m. at his residence this morning. The Prime Minister will host the T20 World Champions, the team led by Rohit Sharma, at his residence after the team arrived in New Delhi this morning at 6:20 a.m. after departing from Barbados. The team reached at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, and from there they headed to ITC Moria, where the team is staying briefly before heading to meet the Prime Minister at his residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. The Prime Minister will felicitate the Indian cricket team. In fact, joining us live on the story is my colleague Riyanka. Riyanka, very good morning to you. Now, you've been outside the Indira Gandhi International Airport at the time when the team had just arrived. Of course, we knew how the crowds were all joyous and cheering for the team, but what's ahead for the men in blue?
In the morning, we saw those very, joyous and exciting visuals from the IGI airport, where there were a number of people, number of fans that were joining in to get a glimpse of their, favorite stars, the cricket stars, the men in blue, which is led by Rohit Sharma. And now we know that all these stars are currently staying at the ITC Moria here in the national capital, Chanakapuri. And from here up next, they will be going ahead and meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence at 7 LKM. Shortly from now, there is going to be a grand ceremonial felicitation that has been arranged for the Indian cricket men's team that has won the ICC T20 World Cup after defeating South Africa. So there, special arrangements have been made. In fact, at this point, outside ITC Moria, we also see that there is a heavy police deployment in order to curtail the crowd that is likely to gather here. In fact, we know moving forward, they are going to meet the Prime Minister. It is going to be a 2-hour-long ceremonial felicitation that will be done. They will be, in fact, speaking to the Prime Minister, showing him the cup that has been, been received by the team India after 11 long years at the T20. And it is an emotional moment for the citizens, a joyous moment for the citizens as well. Moving on from that, the team is scheduled to fly to Mumbai, and in the evening there is going to be a rally, a road show, an open bus road show that will be in fact taking place from Marine Drive to Wankhede Stadium. That is also going to be a repeat of scenes. A similar parade was organized back in 2007 when Mahendra Singh Dhoni had in fact gotten the cup home. So today also we are going to see how a number of people, a huge gathering, will be, flocking the streets of Marine Drive to Wankhede. In fact, there is going to be a felicitation ceremony as well at Wankhede Stadium after the parade. So it is a power-packed day for Team India. Currently, the team is resting along with the families here at ITC Moria. They had, in fact, were being stranded at Barbados due to hurricane. But then now, finally, they have come to India. They've gotten the cup home, and it is indeed a joyous moment for all here.
All right, thanks for bringing us those details, Riyanka. We also have fresh video that has been shared by the BCCI. Let's show our viewers.